What's up guys, it's Keaton for the Cardistry, and today I have for you a magic tutorial. So the way these are going to work is for the first half I'm going to have a performance video, and for the second half we're going to get into the tutorial. So yeah, let's get this video started. So this trick was showed to me by my friend Verlin, and I did some research and I found a YouTube channel by the name of Scam School. They teach a similar trick as well as other magic tricks. So I'm not too sure if they came up with this trick themselves or if they just teach it, but I will keep researching, and if I do find something I will update you guys in the comments. I mean in the comments or in the description. And if you guys have any information, please let me know in the comments and I will try and update you guys on it later. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So this trick, I'm just gonna have 3 random selections. There's 1, 2, and 3. Right. So for now, I'm just gonna ask you guys to remember these selections. Okay. So if you remember them, I'm just gonna put them down here, all 3. Nothing funny going on. And then we're gonna separate this pack of cards into 4 different packs, 1 for each card and 1 for yourself. So let's do that. Okay, so here's the packs for those cards and here's 1 for yourself. So I'm just going to keep this here to the side. And we're going to take 1 card, put it at the top of this deck, cut this deck anyway, put it on top. Then we're going to take this card, put it on top of this deck, and cut this deck anyway, put it on top. And we're going to take the final card, put it on top, and then just collect all the cards. Right. So no mishaps here. And now at this part, I'm going to show you half the deck face up, half the deck face down. And if you see your card in the half that's face up, you can stop me whenever you want. Well, these are things you'd say to the spectator. Obviously, you guys can't stop me whenever you want, but you get the point. So just gonna keep going. And while this is happening, you should try and have a conversation with your spectators to keep them entertained or keep them interactive with the trick. Might as well just let them deal the cards themselves, you know, so they don't get bored and they stay entertained. It's a good way to keep the trick more fluent and better. Okay, so that's half. We're gonna throw these away like I'm currently throwing away my life. Ha 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 ha, jokes, magic, yay. Anyway, okay, then we're gonna do the same with this half. Gonna just keep one face up, face down, face up, face down, until there is nothing left. So then we're going to throw this pack away as well. And we're going to keep doing this until there is almost nothing left besides 3 cards. And hopefully if we did these right, those 3 cards would be your 3. So yeah, if you guys want to learn this trick, continue watching for the next half. So yeah, this is a self-working trick. It doesn't require any sleights of hand or any magic tricks or anything like that. You can, if you want, to add in a false shuffle before you start dealing out and stuff. Anything you want to make it more flashy, you know. You could count the cards in your hand so it doesn't seem like you're giving them a fixed amount of cards. There's a lot of ways you can tweak this trick, but I'm going to show you the fundamentals of it, and you guys can tweak it in any way you'd like to. So first, what you're going to do is obviously have your spectators choose 3 cards, right? Actually, for this, let's just get 3 similar cards, right? Let's take the Queen of Diamonds, Queen of Spades, and I don't know, Queen of Clubs, right? So now we have 3 queens. I'm just gonna put that to the side so it's easier to see that we actually did the trick, right? I'm gonna put that to the side, and now we're gonna deal to the first person 14 cards. Right? Second person's gonna get 15. sorry, I don't know if I counted that right. Let me just do that again. Next person's gonna get another 15. And you're gonna take the rest. Right, so then you're gonna let the spectator put the card on top of the deck, and you're gonna let them cut anywhere. Top, bottom, doesn't matter. They can just take the bottom cards and put it on top. Right, you take the second card, put it on top, cut anywhere, and do the same, and then they're gonna take the last card, put it on top, and you're going to collect all the cards starting from your pack, going this way. The reason you do this is, think about it, if I cut anywhere on this pack and put it here, but I take those cards and put it on top, it doesn't matter where you cut. Those cards, that top card will still be 14 cards at the bottom. 14 cards above the bottom of the deck. And then the next one will be 15 cards above that 14 card one. It doesn't matter where they cut because you're collecting it in order. So the cards will unison come back into the deck. Right, so then we're gonna deal face. First you're gonna start face up, or else the trick won't work. So face up, then face down. And you're gonna keep doing this until obviously the cards are done. I'm just gonna fast forward it. You guys get it. Okay, so now when you're done with that, you're gonna have half of the deck face up, half of the deck face down. You can take that half that's face up and put it to the side. Right, then you're gonna take the half that was face down, and you're gonna do the exact same thing. You're gonna go face up, face down, face up, face down, face up, face down, and you know, keep doing that. This trick can take a while, so you can try and find a way to entertain the spectator in other ways, you know. Okay, so I'm just gonna speed this up again. Then for the third time, I'm gonna do once again the same exact thing. Face up, face down, face up, face down, face up, face down. There's less cards here, so I won't have to speed it up. Okay, and now last you'll have a very small deck, and there'll be 6 cards. You're gonna go, six cards. You're gonna go face up, face down, face up, face down, face up, face down. And if this trick worked, in the end you will have those 3 queens that we selected in the beginning. Right, so this is a very easy trick. I want to teach a self-working trick first, other than any other magic trick that I know, because I feel like it's a nice gateway, a nice bridge into magic, and it's a nice little easy simple trick that you can do whenever, wherever, no matter what. No setup, nothing like that, nothing complicated, no terminology needed, no sleight of hand, nothing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll check you guys in the next video. Ciao.